Oh, fuck. I can't believe you've done this.
Row, row, row your bicycle.
Huh? Oh, it's a ghost. A ghost? Skidoo. Skidoo. There. Is it straight?
No.
No.
Damn it, the day, mister!
How about now? Is it straight now?
No.
You know, this is making me feel so, you know, a little bit mad. Little bit. It just makes me so mad. You think we'll get there faster if we scurry? Yeah. Let's scurry, cause we're in a hurry.
Wait a damn minute.
You're not Mr. Salt and Mrs. Pepper.
Hi, my name is Boo.
Boo.
You scared me.
Okay, Boo.
Let's go!
I can't look.
Oh, look, see? It's just my kitten making those sounds.
Are you serious, my brother?
See? Nothing to be frightened of, Boo.
I see. It's thundering outside.
Nothing to be spooked about, Boo.
Gotta go. Bye. Thanks.
Oh, you're welcome, Boo. Oh, no, don't get too close. Oh, look. It's Boo.
Yeah, boy.
Hey, this is great. We have sky and sun. Let's try lion. Gotcha, bitch. Whoops, we're just trying to get by. Okay, so maybe lion wasn't the best choice of words. Let's try them out, see what happens. Okay, how about rock?
You stupid!
Now there's a big rock in our way. Steve?
Go together like grandma.
Steve, Joe!
We can do anything.
That we wanna do. Joe, don't move. I'll be right back. You can move now. You grew.
Maybe a little.
Hi, Joe.
You know my name already? Wow.
Hello, Boris.
Wonder where they are. Tell me if you see any clues.
A clue, a clue.
I cannot find this clue. Please show me where it is.
It's right there.
Right there is a clue.
Sunshine, lollipops, and rainbows. Everything that's wonderful is what I feel.
But she can't find him. What's going to happen?
Diva is a female version of a hustler,
We'll find our home, but we don't know where. 4 magic letters will get us there. Wacky wild world. We are gonna play Blue's Clues. Quack, 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 quack.